lemon pepper, extra wet, extra crispy. That's what we're doing today. Alright, so here we are going to start off with these wings. I am going to cut them in half so that way we can have our drums and our flats separate. I don't like to keep the little wing part on my wing, so I'm definitely cutting that off and it's not going on my chicken, okay? I am going to wash and clean my chicken. If you don't believe in washing and cleaning your chicken, that's your business. But over here, we clean the chicken, okay? I am going to start by oiling the chicken, and then I'm going to season it with the seasonings that you see on the screen. And this chicken is going in the air fryer. And if you know anything about air fryer, it's not really good to heavily flour your chicken because it's just going to come out all white. I'm only going to use about 2 tablespoons of flour and then 2 tablespoons of some Louisiana Chicken Fry, which is what you see me pouring here. And then I'm just going to give that a good mix, and we're going to pop it in the air fryer on 23 minutes. Halfway through, we're going to take the chicken out and we're going to flip it and put it back in the air fryer for the remaining amount of time.
Kicking back old school tracks like damn. Can't get enough of this more, like I don't even know where I am. Ooh, baby, get hyped to the beat, let's zone, cause this is our jam. This is our jam. When I reminisce over you, my lordy, rest to make way for my newfound shorty. Checking the mic for ligaments while I reckon. Same time came out the womb while recording. All I ever did was make jokes out of.
Alright, let's get into the sauce. I am going to use a full stick of Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. I'm going to add in some fresh lemon. I use 1 whole lemon. I'm going to add, of course, the lemon pepper seasoning. Add 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of wing sauce. I'm going to use some 6 spice seasoning, add some red pepper flakes, and let that come to a nice simmer. And then we're just gonna toss the chicken all up in the sauce. I did make some homemade ranch, so this paired very nicely. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on those notifications. Back when I was a kid, all I did was stroll back from the